Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making mango cheese. I'm using a sharp knife to cut off the end where the mango is attached to the stem. I'm going to position the mango so that the mango sits on this cut side. Then I'm going to slice down lengthwise along one of the broad sides, and I'm going to repeat the other broad side. Then I'm going to remove the fruit that remains on the two narrow sides, and then I'm going to scoop out the pulp, and I'm going to place that in a blender. I'm going to blend until it becomes smooth. I'm going to pour the puree in a saucepan. To 2 cups of puree, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of white sugar. I'm going to stir the puree and the sugar, and then I'm going to add the pectin. 1 tablespoon of pectin to 1 cup of puree, and then I'm going to use a whisk. I'm going to combine the pectin with the puree. Now I'm going to turn on the stove. I'm going to now heat the mixture on a high flame, and I'm going to stir that until it thickens. Then I'm going to turn down the stove to a medium flame, and I'm going to continue stirring until I get a ball. Then I'm going to pour that in a greased dish. I'm going to use a spoon to spread the mixture in the dish, and I'm going to add some margarine on top of the mixture, and I'm going to get a smooth surface. I'm going to set that aside until it is cooled completely. Then I'm going to cut the mango cheese. You can cut the mango cheese in any shape you want, but I'm going to cut mine in 2 triangles. I'm going to remove that from the dish, and then I'm going to place that in the refrigerator for up to 3 days because no preservative has been added. This video is dedicated to Beryl Alexander Baillie. It was created by her daughter, Dr. Baillie. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.